Hi, in today's video, I will introduce one of the best programs to use to produce an amazing teaching video, which is the LightMV. LightMV is a cloud-based video maker that helps you produce a high-quality teaching video in just a few clicks. Also, it consists of several video templates with background music to use. To start using this program, simply go to your web browser and visit its official website at www.lightmv.com. Then, hit the Get Started button. Next, scroll down the screen and select a template that you want to use for your video, then hit the Select button. Once selected, click the plus sign icon on the interface to add files that you want to include on your video. You can also add text at the beginning of the video. Once done editing, click the Produce SD Video button and wait for the video to be rendered. Lastly, hit the download icon to save the video on your PC. And that's how you use this simple program to create a stunning teaching video. For more information, just visit the program's official website at www.lightmv.com. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching.